In day-to-day use, this thing is a workhorse. The 1700-watt heating element is fast. Reheating leftover pizza, which used to be a sad, soggy microwave affair, now takes 3 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and comes out with a perfectly crisp crust. For my main meals, it's been fantastic. Chicken thighs get crispy skin and stay juicy inside in about 18 minutes. Asparagus, broccoli, and green beans are perfectly roasted in 6 to 8 minutes. Where does it compare to others? Well, its biggest competition is Ninja. Many Ninja models can go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while this Cosori maxes out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For 99% of what I cook, 400 degrees Fahrenheit is more than enough. I'm not really looking to broil a steak in my air fryer. The fan is powerful and circulates air extremely well, which is what really gives you that fried texture. It's also noticeably quieter than my old model.